We want to understand how global economies move and grow. It all starts with capital markets. Welcome to Capital Markets Roadmap, where Doug Carroll, your expert guide, will lead you through the essentials of the capital markets, the beating heart of the global financial system. In this course, you will be introduced to the key players in the capital markets, issuers, investors, and intermediaries, and explain how they trade and leverage financial instruments to drive economic growth from stocks to bonds, derivatives to currencies. You'll discover how these markets play a crucial role in both the economy and the financial systems that support businesses and governments worldwide. The course is structured into 21 focused lectures divided into 4 key sections: capital markets overview, fixed income markets, equity markets, and currency and derivative markets. By the end of the course, you'll know who the key players are, what instruments are traded, and how these markets shape the global financial landscape. This course should provide you the knowledge and insights you need in a very brief and focused manner. Jump in and join us in this course.